Update on the home front of the coronavirus fight.
UNMC has begun their first trials for an effective coronavirus drug, and it's the first in the U.S. Channel 8's Taylor Trujillo went to Omaha and has more in tonight's coronavirus alert. Taylor?
Rod and Megan, doctors at UNMC have given their first dose to a person with coronavirus at their quarantine unit. A new drug for coronavirus is going through human trials at UNMC. It's all part of an international effort to combat the outbreak. In all, the research will involve 400 patients at 50 sites globally.
So what we know is that the drug has been successful both in vitro and in animal models, but we don't know if this drug is going to be successful in humans, and that's why we need to do this trial.
200 patients will receive the placebo and 200 will receive the active drug. Each patient will be injected with the drug through an IV drip.
To be enrolled in a trial, they would have to have the coronavirus test positive, and they're going to have signs of lung infection that it's like signs of pneumonia.
The trial will be measured by administering the drug to each patient once a day for a 10-day period, but patients are expected to be hospitalized as long as they need.
The time that's going to take, it's hard to know because it's going to depend on how this whole outbreak evolves.
If the medication works within the first 200 patients, further testing will be done as health officials create the most effective form of the drug possible.
It's a learning curve from these trials, but no questions that what was done in 2014 is helping us to understand how to do things better.
UNMC doctors believe that this is the most rapid drug trial in American history.
Normally it takes months and months for these trials to be up and running, and now we're talking about weeks. So this is a record, I would say, and it's very important because this is the way that we have to do during outbreaks. We don't have the leisure of time. We have to start early. We have to really get these drugs being tested early. And
if all goes well, the results will inevitably make history.
The way that things are at this point, yes, we should have the results either in a year or maybe even less, at least the preliminary results.
Patients that will be chosen for the trial are ones that will be found experiencing the pneumonia-like symptoms within 72 hours of diagnosis. Also in the U.S. today, the CDC says the coronavirus will continue to spread. It's not a matter of if, but a matter of how and when.
All right.